Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the journey of Saree Kerr, a stunning model and Instagram star whose rise to fame started in the most unexpected way. While shopping at a mall. Let's dive into her inspiring story and learn what makes her so captivating. Saree's modeling career began when a scout spotted her during a casual mall outing. She quickly signed with 11 Management Group in Aston Models, and her unique look captured the fashion world's attention. Her Saree Kerr Instagram account became her digital runway, attracting over 600,000 followers. Born on October 1, 1997, in Laguna Beach, California, Saree shares snippets of her personal life online. Her mother, poet Saree Kerr, is a frequent feature in her posts, and her relationships have also drawn attention, including a past romance with rapper Young Pinch. Saree's love for fashion shines through her posts, blending chic aesthetics with laid-back California vibes. Fun fact, she's a big Ariana Grande fan and even cited Ariana's Instagram as one of her favorites. This adds a relatable touch to her otherwise glamorous life. Saree Kerr is a shining example of how life can change in an instant. From mall discovery to modeling success, she's shown us the power of seizing opportunities. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more spotlights on rising stars.